What's up, athletes? Good to have you back. I welcome you to this shoulder plus core workout presented by PureFit. This is Rahul Basak here, and I am going to guide you through this exciting and super fun workouts. I'm excited to bring to you these 5 hand-picked workout movements that will do wonders for your shoulder and core. I'll be performing all of this for 45 seconds with a 15-second break in between. The best part of this is that you just need a pair of dumbbell and you can do it from anywhere, in fact from the comfort of your homes. Fitness is something that all of us should make a part of our lives. For all of you watching this video, join me through this home workout movements and I will make sure you will feel amazing at the end of this. Without any further delay, let's begin our workout. The first movement which we have is your dumbbell Arnold press. You just require a pair of dumbbell, take a weight which is slightly challenging for you. Now from here, bring the dumbbell closer to your shoulder, right? And now from here, press it up while turning your arms. Again, bring it down, alternate arms and down, right? This is going to work on your shoulder. Let's start for 45 seconds in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Just breathe out as you press it upwards. Go slow, maintain a pace, do not rush. It's gonna do wonders to your shoulders. Nice and easy. No movement from your lower body, just your upper body keeps moving. Keep breathing with every movement. Also ensure when you're bringing it down slowly in a controlled manner. Few more seconds in 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Wow, my shoulder can already feel pumped up, right? Let's take a few seconds break, and while you're taking a break, let's go to the next workout. Let me show you the next movement. The next movement which you have is plank to push-up, which is going to work on your core. You get into an elbow plank position. You're pumped, your elbows directly below your shoulder, your hip and your shoulder in the same line. Now from here, up, go down and push up. You can go alternate arms and keep switching up, right? We'll be again doing this for 45 seconds. We'll work on your core, right? Let's start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Keep breathing normally with minimal movement of your hips. Keeping your hips and your knees fully extended. Slow and controlled movements. I'm sure by now you're already feeling it on your core. Nice and easy. Few more seconds to go. In 3, 2, 1, we are done. Wow, I can already feel my core burning, right? Let's take a 15 seconds break. And I'll show you the third movement that we'll be doing. Again, you require a pair of dumbbell here, and we'll be doing dumbbell lateral raises. Let's take a deep breath, bring our breath under our control, and let's start now. Okay, let me show you first. From here, laterally up and down. Try not to swing your shoulders much or your arms much, keeping your elbows soft. Lift it up laterally and bring it down. Up and down, right? Let's start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. As you lift it up, breathe out. Bring it down in a controlled manner. This is going to work on your lateral shoulders, your lateral deltoids. You need not rush through the movement, but slow and controlled and 45 seconds here. Few more seconds. In 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Nice, that's good. We're done with 3 movements. Now I'll take you to the 4th movement, which is again going to work on your core. It's also going to work on your obliques. For this, you lie down on your back. You keep your hands wide in line with the shoulders. Now from here, as you raise your leg up, you bring your upper body up, touch your toe and back. Touch your toe and back. Up, touch your toe and back. Right? We'll be doing this movement for 45 seconds. We'll start now in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. As you crunch, breathe out. I know it's going to burn your core. Let's keep going. Slow and controlled motion. Few more seconds. In 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Okay guys, we are done with 4 movements. Now before we move on to the last movement, I invite you on the CureFit app and try our CureFit Live. Here you can work out with more trainers like me who will guide you in your fitness journey. If you download the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of 14 days. Now let's go to the last workout, which is going to be your pike push-up. Let me show you the movement. You first get into a high plank position. Now from here, you drive your hip up, get into a mountain position. Now from here, bring your head in front of your palm, touch and push back. Touch and push back. What I'm doing here is that I'm making a tripod with my palm and my forehead, right? We'll be doing this for 45 seconds. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Touch and push back. Go forward, touch and push back. And back. Try not to flare your elbows outwards. Tuck your elbows inwards as much as you can. And keep going. This is majorly to work on your shoulders. Keep going. You can go slow if you want. Be doing it for a few more seconds. In 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay, cult athletes, we are done with this home workout. Add this to your own playlist and come back and do this workout 4 to 5 times a week for a month. You can repeat the rounds of the workout and perform 3 to 5 rounds to increase the intensity. This will help you burn more calories and get you leaner and stronger. Let us know in the comments below how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our CureFit YouTube channel. Like the video, share it across with your friends and family. Save the video either in watch later or create a new personal playlist. Subscribe to your CureFit channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Cheers guys.